Did you know that your car has a filter for the air coming through the vents? Well, if you didn't, it probably looks something like this. What's up guys, George the Regular Dad here, back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to change that nasty cabin air filter that nobody seems to know about. Let's do it. Alright, we're outside. It's starting to rain, so we're going to try and knock this out real quick. To access your cabin air filter, drop the glove box. On this car, you got to squeeze the sides, and then also over here, you gotta undo this stupid little thing. Which, mine's broken, so whatever. So, now we can continue to lower the glove box. All the stuff just drops out, whatever. And you're gonna get at it right here. There's your cabin air filter. You're just going to pull it out. As you pull it out, make sure you make note of the direction of the airflow, because you want to make sure that the new one goes back in the exact same way. So the airflow will be pointing down. New one just goes right back in its place. And then just put the door back on, make sure it snaps into place. And then we're gonna go ahead and close up our glove box. And that's it. Do you want to stay up to date on all of the latest ways to keep your car in top shape? Of course you do. You wouldn't still be here at this point if you didn't. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time that we upload a new video.